Welcome back to the next video about Payment Manager, and this one deals with making card payments. With this module you can process new payments as single or recurring card payments. So that's from Visa, MasterCard or Amex, depending on which card schemes you're approved for as a merchant. You can also in this module view transactions as single transactions, as well as view recurring transactions. So you can search for a list of payment transactions. You can manage refunds and receipts for previous transactions. So let's just have a quick look at the new payments screen. So pretty much like any data capture screen for card data, it is processing the payment in real time. And you should get a response as whether it's been approved or declined. So there's help text in every field, pretty straightforward. First name, last name, email address, mobile number. Need to put a valid mobile number if you're sending SMS receipts, and a valid email address if you're sending emails. Reference up to 50 alphanumeric characters, so quite useful for categorizing sales based on inventory codes or invoice numbers or any other category system that you use. Card names and card data is pretty straightforward. The default screen is for a single payment. Clicking on the recurring payment button gives you timing options here, so daily, weekly, monthly, and for example monthly. You can select a day of the month. The default is the current day, or you can select the last Tuesday of each month. There are quite a number of options here. The default ending time for the cycle is no end date, but you can end after a single cycle, so you effectively can set one future payment, or you can set on a specific date. Okay, pretty straightforward. So view transactions. This screen gives you a searchable table, so you can select by transaction date or one of the other parameters that you've collected data for. You can set a from date, so let's try this just to give you an example. And here's some test transactions that we've run here. You'll notice the yellow-orange button over here is for refunding. You can process a refund or a partial refund, and you can reissue the receipt. Likewise in recurring, we've got some, let's have a look at, see if we can find some test transaction data here. I'm just going to select a particular day. There's a recurring payment there that's been scheduled. You can activate or deactivate it with the green button at the moment that schedule is active, or you can delete it with the red button. With the blue button you can do updates, so you can change information there about that individual recurring string. Okay, so that's about it, and there'll be more videos of other modules in the Payment Manager system. Bye for now.